In this program, we are going to understand how to calculate the area of a rectangle, and for that we need the length and breadth of the rectangle. So here we are making first variable called length, and we are reading the value from the user using this input command and displaying a message that enter the length of the rectangle, and we are converting that into this data type float, and whatever the value would be entered by the user, that will be stored in this variable. After that, we are taking second variable called breadth. Likewise, with the input function, we are reading the value from the user from the keyboard and converting it into float data type and storing in this particular variable. Then we are putting on the formula that area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. And after that, we are just displaying the result with the message that the given specifications, like the values entered by the user, are these. Like this is the length which is entered by the user, and this is the breadth of the rectangle which is entered by the user, and after that we are printing the area. So if you run this on the Python idle over here, as you can see, we have written the code. Click on run module, and it says that enter the length. Let's say length is 15. Press enter. Then breadth, let's say we have 10. Press enter. So it says like the values given by the user are length is 15 and breadth is 10, and accordingly the area of the rectangle is 150.